Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to reset the working environment in Photoshop. Open any picture in Photoshop. Click on Window at the top menu bar and select Workspace Essentials Default from the list. This way, you will get the default layout. We will show you another way to restore the default layout. We have the Motion layout. Click on Edit at the top menu bar and select Preferences Interface from the list. Select Workspace from the left side list. Click on Restore Default Workspaces. Click OK. If it doesn't work, click on Window at the top menu bar and select Workspace Essentials Default from the list. This way, you will get the default layout. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!